Hello, today's topic.
Kim. Do you exercise regularly? Do you exercise regularly? Do you exercise regularly? I like to lift weights. I like to lift weights. I like to lift weights. She's using the treadmill. She's using the treadmill. She's using the treadmill. Can we do some stretching? Can we do some stretching? Can we do some stretching? He's working on his biceps. He's working on his biceps. He's working on his biceps. Let's try some cardio. Let's try some cardio. Let's try some cardio. We need to warm up first. We need to warm up first. We need to warm up first. Are you using that machine? Are you using that machine? Are you using that machine? I am going to do some squats. I'm going to do some squats. I'm going to do some squats. He's on the elliptical. She's on the elliptical. She's on the elliptical. Can you spot me? Can you spot me? Can you spot me? Let's some fitness goals. Let's set some fitness goals. Let's set some fitness goals. I need to hydrate. I need to hydrate. I need to hydrate. He's doing push-ups. He's doing push-ups. He's doing push-ups. We should cool down now. We should cool down now. We should cool down now. Are you feeling the burn? Are you feeling the burn? Are you feeling the burn? I enjoy yoga sessions. I enjoy yoga sessions. I enjoy yoga sessions. She's using resistance bands. She's using resistance bands. She's using resistance bands. Let's focus on core exercises. Let's focus on core exercises. Let's focus on core exercises. I am going to check my heart rate. I'm going to check my heart rate. I'm going to check my heart rate. Can we try some HIIT workouts? Can we try some HIIT workouts? Can we try some HIIT workouts? We should switch up our routine. We should switch up our routine. We should switch up our routine. He's using the rowing machine. He's using the rowing machine. He's using the rowing machine. We need to increase our endurance. We need to increase our endurance. We need to increase our endurance. Are you tracking your progress? Are you tracking your progress? Are you tracking your progress? I am going to use the foam roller. I'm going to use the foam roller. I'm going to use the foam roller. He's practicing balance exercises. He's practicing balance exercises. He's practicing balance exercises. Let's incorporate some plyometrics. Let's incorporate some plyometrics. Let's incorporate some plyometrics. I need to improve my flexibility. I need to improve my flexibility. I need to improve my flexibility. Can you recommend a workout plan? Can you recommend a workout plan? Can you recommend a workout plan?
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.